And before we get into the drag racing, we've got to do the customary car mount sound check. So I'm going to rev up my absolutely huge 16-cylinder quad turbo. Oh dear, we have a softie, but there's plenty of vibrations going through the car because it's such a big old engine.
I can't hear any of that.
Rev up your car. You got a soft limiter as well, but yours sounded better. You really did. This is a crazy, crazy drag race. We've got more coming like this, so make sure you subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss out what we've got coming up. It'll blow your mind. So hit that subscribe button. Should we get on with the racing? Oh, if you're thinking about selling your car to buy something like this, or maybe some options on one, then you can sell your car through Carwow. It's dead easy. Upload your photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on your car. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's race. Have you lost the key already?
I have a funny feeling the owner might have it in his pocket.
Well, I'm going to show you my key. It's not the primary key, so it's the key, your backup key if you lose a key, and it's this. It's like from a Golf Blue Motion. But it does have a Bugatti badge on it, so that's all right. What? I mean, unbelievable. Oh, come on, hook! We're off. Blimey. Whoa, this is a clear win. He didn't get the traction, no four-wheel drive. Whoa. Ooh. Traction issue?
Traction issue.
Do you reckon you're going to get it better than that or not?
A little bit better, but there is a lot of intervention. It's a bit dusty and stuff, and this has got all of the power. I could always say one more, Matthew.
Oh, you've got me on the line.